Uh, I'm just wake up. Now I'm wake up and thinking, and I'm following the time 9 a.m. I am so late. Oh, now I'm call you.
Oh, you sleep late, eh?
Yeah. Wake up 6 a.m. But I'm waiting for you, and I'm looking. Have a 2 hour. I'm go okay. I just wake up some hour. Then already 2 hour late.
I have a lot of video to upload
Yeah,
this
yeah.
week. Yeah. I have a lot of video to, so my time is short. I work a lot.
Yes,
I work
sir.
very hard.
Sir, you this week you will many video uploaded and is a good result. You know that. You many more video uploaded and I have many more video SEO, then video automatically rank automatically more view. Last 1 week we will earn 15K plus view and 200 hours watch time. So it's very good, and I like your uploaded category, but you always upload it unlisted. Okay, sir. I am
Mm.
thumbnail design and SEO. So thumbnail design and SEO completed. I will publish your video, but video up publish is time only evening time. Okay, sir. Is a good because evening time every people always active the mobile phone, computer and other device. Many people watch and use this electronic device. Then this time Google share your video your all subscriber, so many
Mm.
people watch your video and automatically reach up more engagement and your video automatically grows, so it's very effective. And you will always upload it night time, but night the many people sleeping and no people, there are low people use the Android phone as a other device, so YouTube do not reach your video and do not share your video your subscriber, so it's a negative point. You will always upload it unlisted, and I will SEO and thumbnail design create time calculation in your country wise as a evening time. So evening time selection, and I'm everything watching, then I'm publish your video. So 1 week automatically many more view coming your channel and your video and many more watch time coming, so it good and effective. Okay, sir.
Yeah,
uh, next we are today we are talking a Google AdSense. Sir, are you know the at Google AdSense account?
yeah. I know
Google,
that, but you told me you do that already.
okay. Google AdSense account as a ninth step. The process A to Z complete 1 month, because first first step we are created Google AdSense account. Second step we are connected your YouTube channel. Third step your ID verification as a government ID verification, and you will upload and Google watching and then 3 day ID verification is complete. Third step address verification. ID verification after Google address your personal address as a your police station home, A to Z details upload the AdSense account. Then AdSense account give me your home as a address as a 6 digit pin in your home. A postman call you, uh, call you and give me a postman gave me a letter, and you will later trimming and you find the 6 digit, and 6 digit upload your Google AdSense account. Second, fourth, ID verification over and address verification over. And next your bank account. Attach your bank account, and finally attach your bank account. So automatically $10 over and $100 over, so 25-day over automatically $100 going to your account, so it's over. And fourth step, ad running your your watch time, your page, ad running. So you will go to your account and ad running option and 5 stage as a short video ad run. So this process is long. So step by we'll complete the process. Okay, sir. Is
Yeah.
full category. Is have a 1 month time. A to Z. 1 month to 45 days. A to Z complete. Okay, sir.
Okay.
So you will upload it actual data, your address. Do not spelling mistake and A to Z, no up and down as your bank address, a government address, and Adsense address. A to Z same to same because they are verification to verified. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, sir. And today you'll. I know that you are very tired. I following your eyes sleeping down. Just wait.
Oh, for live, you see my live, I do it today.
Yeah, yes, sir. Sir, this week are you upload the video in your channel?
Yeah, I have a lot of video. Like tomorrow, I'm not working all day. I was to studio. I
Okay,
will be there. I
okay.
have a lot of video to editing. Yeah.
Mm. Okay, good. You will upload it unlisted 109 video, and you will copyright video delete it as a 50 or 40 copyright heavy video. You will delete it. Then your actual video as a have a 70 to 90, and you 70 to 90 video already we are SEO to video. You SEO before SEO have a 70 video. Then you will 70 video properly SEO and you active you will complete your Google AdSense account. So your channel is properly complete. Then no more work in your channel. Then your project is over, and then we are going to the more subscriber and more view. But now your old video SEO is very important, but SEO video depended you recent uploaded video more view. Already you know that uh, before video equal recent uploaded video is more view already coming. Sir, are you know that?
Okay.
um
I
yeah
know.
yeah, tell me, sir, your question. Our payment system, sir, don't worry. Your channel going to the next level as a 1 million subscriber as a minimum view 50
Yes, that
50.
I needed. It be 1 million scrubber that I needed.
It's possible, don't worry, sir. Already uh, tomorrow, your subscriber 2.1K. Then now your subscriber 1.70K because your copyright video deleted and your subscriber some subscriber you will lose. Don't worry. And we are hardworking and more view coming, so subscriber is coming. Don't worry, sir. I'll give me this free service and no more cost. No more charge. Google AdSense account A to Z. And
So that means you charge monthly or just one time?
okay, you can send me monthly. Don't worry, as you wish. As you wish.
Yes, because the money it be to need to work is serious.
Yeah, yeah,
To need to work is serious because right now I need visibility.
yeah. I know that.
Uh, the money no problem, but to need to manage good. That be
Um,
make us to go far, too far.
okay. Yeah, and your second video, second YouTube channel, this Google AdSense. Next time I'm joining your second YouTube channel. So dual channel. Yeah, 2 months after dual channel. Uh, Automatically dollar earnings. So I hope you will some revenue earning the some revenue and you will satisfied. So your problem automatically solved.
Okay, that be good too. It's a good thing. It's good, yeah.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you. Give me the time. I am very happy to work with you. So it's good. Thank you, sir.
You're very welcome.